When people see the word cracked, they imagine something being forcefully broken from the outside.
Every small exception adds a little more stress to the system. Together, these small pressures align into a crack no one notices at first.
Most people believe systems fail when rules are broken.
They imagine failure as someone crossing a boundary.
But modern systems rarely depend on rules alone.
They depend on expectations instead.
Expectations quietly shape behavior without resistance.
As long as behavior matches expectations, nothing looks wrong.
That hidden reliance is where weakness begins to form. Modern systems crack through design, not intrusion.
Flexibility is built in to keep things running smoothly.
Permissions replace barriers.
Exceptions replace rules.
Convenience replaces caution.
Each choice reduces friction and increases dependence.
This is how pressure concentrates at the weakest layer.
At first, these cracks don't feel dangerous at all.
They feel normal, efficient, even helpful.
The system continues to work, just slightly differently.
Small changes become routines.
Routines turn into expectations.
Over time, the crack blends into the design.
What once felt temporary becomes permanent.
When people finally notice the crack, it feels sudden. But nothing sudden actually happened.
The system was always moving in this direction.
Every decision made sense at the time.
Together, they reshaped the system quietly.
This is not a failure of control. It is control working exactly as designed.